Whew. So what's the system you're using on that one?
This is just a rustler.
Traxxas?
Yep.
Oh, it's just got a different body on it then.
Yeah.
Huh. Tore up the old one, huh?
No, they didn't like it.
Ooh. So this is a VXL, right?
No, just a rustler.
Just a regular rustler with a brushed motor?
Yep.
Huh. Figured it would be brushless.
Still have this gas? I believe it does.
That seems like an awful lot of power for just a brushed motor, though.
Yeah.
I know I use brushless. I got an RC boat that I finished not too long ago. I had to redo it. Ordered a new prop shaft for it. But everything I pretty much use is all brushless.
Yeah, I haven't bought the brushless yet. Battery's dying now.
Alright, well take care, you guys.